Assalamu alaikum guys, this is Nadra from Working Girl Cooks. How are you? Hope you all will be fine by the grace of Allah. Guys, today I am sharing a very useful video, especially on Eid ul Azha. As we all know that near Eid ul Azha, green herbs disappear or become very expensive. Usually we freeze the herbs, but in some dishes we want to add fresh herb. Today I will show you how to store herbs in fridge and keep them fresh for a long time. Before I start, I would like to thank my friend Abe Kausar who shared this tip with me. I personally did experience, then decided to share with you. Let's start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Here I would say that if you are washing the herb, dry them properly. Make sure there is no water. Here I am using glass containers, but you can use plastic container as well. As I will show you during the video, in both cases result would be same and your herb would be fresh. I prefer to store my herbs separately, and you can see I am using small containers so they will not occupy more space in fridge. When you store chilies, make sure that you remove the stem, otherwise chilies would be rotten. The containers are ready. Now it's time to share the useful tips. Keep stainless steel spoon in a box and close the lid and store in a fridge. These takeaway boxes are ideal to store herbs as well. In this way, you can store coriander, parsley, dill, spring onion, green chili, fenugreek leaves, and other herbs. I hope this video will be useful for you and you will try this tip to keep herb fresh for a long time. I will bring more interesting and useful tips for you. Till then, take care. Assalamu alaikum. Allah Hafiz.